Hello my friends! Today I'm so excited to guide you through a fun and energetic tune, the iconic Can Can melody. So grab your accordion and let's get started. Before we dive in, let me show you what the melody sounds like. Doesn't that make you want to get up and dance? Don't worry, I'll break it down for you so it's super easy to follow. Alright, let's start with the right hand and how to play the right hand, which notes you need to play first. So let's go bar by bar, only the right hand. So C, D, F, E, D, G, G, A, E, F, D, 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 F, E, D, C, C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C, D, F, E, D, G, 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 A, E, F, D, 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 F, As you could probably hear, the right hand and the melody in general, from the beginning, the first line and the third line, you will see it in the score later on when you watch this lesson, and when you have the score in front of you printed out, just you will see that the first line and the third line are exactly the same. Let me now just tell you the fingering of the right hand that you will need to use. So 1, and then 2, 4, 3, 2, 5, 5, and here comes something new. On the same note, we need to switch from the fifth finger to the fourth. That's bar 4. So in bar 3 we play 5, 5, and then bar 4 we play 4 on the G again. So 4, 5, 2, 3, and then we do kind of similar with the first bar of the second line, and that's like 1, 2. So on the same tone we change fingers. In this case we play D, and on the D we place 1, and then 2, and then go on 2, 4, 3, 2. Here the tricky place comes that you will need to practice again. Independently first, like first the right hand and the left hand, and then both together, of course, when you master the two hands separately. So that's a third bar of the second line where we have this big jump from C to C. By the way, this C and C we call in music, we call octave. It's distance between C and C. So you practice this one just by repeating it many times, only this jump, C, and then C, B, A, G, F, E, D, C. Alright, in the first lesson we play the C major C major scale. So if you practice that one by now, this playing C major scale, because we have it here playing it downward, will be probably very easy. Only you need to master this jump first to get it right. So C, C, B, A, G, F, E, D. And with the fingering we play 1, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 3, 2, 1. And then the third line is the same like the first. 2, 4, 3, 2, 5, 5, 4, 5, 2, 3. And then the last line. 1, 2, 2, 4, 3, 2. Last two bars. 1, 5, 2, 3, 1, 1. Alright, that's the right hand, the fingering and the names of the tones, and we for the left hand, first I'll just play only the left hand through and tell you the chords and the names that you need to play. So we have C, C major, C major, C major, G, G major, G major, G major, C, C major, C major, C, C major, C major, C. Second line, G, G major, G major, G major, G major, G major, C, chord, 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 G, chord, chord, chord. All right. Third line, C, chord, 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 G, G major, G major, G major, C, C major, C major, C major, C major, C major, G, G major, G major, G major, G major, C, C major, G major. So in the last bar we play C and C major together at the same time. Alright, and for the fingering, it's again like we did in the previous lessons. When we play major chords, we always use 4 and 3. So we place fourth finger on the single note, and we place the third finger on the chord, or in this case C major, or on the G major. Alright, let's just now try to combine and play both hands together. We play melody and we play accompaniment at the same time. Remember to start slow, just to repeat one more time, because the speed comes with practice. I will play the whole piece again from the beginning, and I'll do the counting, so I will count the beats and play in very slow tempo, both hands together. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tricky place. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's play this song again. Just now I'm not gonna count, and I'll play it again in slow tempo so that you can follow easier. And once again, you've done an amazing job today. Learning a piece like Can Can takes dedication, but with practice you'll have it mastered. Until next time, keep practicing, stay joyful, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Bye for now.